Today is the day. We are cleaning our dryer vents with this Holikme. This is everything that comes in the kit. There is a lot here. Luckily, there are steps and tips as well as the full rundown of what is in the kit right here. We're just gonna give it a shot here. Some of this isn't totally intuitive. So right here is an example of something I want to show you. Got us caught up a little bit. We plan to attach this to our shop vac, but our shop vac head didn't fit this. We were kind of scratching our heads for a while going, wait a minute, we have a standard shop vac. Turns out this is actually an insert. You got to take this out if your vacuum hose isn't a standard size. It does come with gloves, which is really handy, keeps your hands a little bit clean, gives you a little bit extra grip. All sorts of different brushes, this squishy adapter hose. Okay, here it is, our dryer, aka what I assume is about to be the scene of a horrible, horrible crime. Yeah, I took out the laundry, but I didn't take out the lint from my last load of laundry, so you can see so much down there. There's so much lint that doesn't get caught in the trap. Ugh. This is the tube we will be sucking out of. Here's the little adapter. It's hard to catch in the packaging because it comes in a very tiny little bags. Make sure you find that because it's going to be useful. Okay, it fits right on there. Connect the tube to the adapter. Remember to only ever go clockwise. If you reverse it, it can disconnect tubes and it can also detach the brush, which would leave that hanging out in the vent, which you probably don't want. Here's our vent. And I can hear it working its way through. Oh, there it is. Well, hello. That actually looks a lot cleaner than it did when we started. And on the outside, there's some leftover that needs to be wiped out.